That's the situation right outside the apartment. Look at that. Look at that. Oh boy. That's supposed to be a pathway, and you can see it's fully covered with snow. Oh boy. And there, the workers there doing a great job. There they come. They're the men. Oh boy. It's coming down pretty heavy. It's hitting my camera hard. Okay, there you go. It's actually pretty interesting how the snow gets cleared. It's pretty much like water coming from the side. Tough job, call it a dirty job. There you go. To get the full length of it. Doesn't sound that good, does it? This is crazy, shit crazy. You can see that the snow is really falling down hard, but just that the frames aren't too fast to catch that. It's pretty bad, I tell you that. It's pretty bad. Doesn't look good at all. Oh boy.